The following video should be used in conjunction with the instructions for use, packaged with every Posey product and your facility's policies and procedures. The Posey self-releasing belts are for patients needing a positioning device for added safety or those needing a reminder to call for assistance before exiting a wheelchair. For most situations and patient use, self-releasing belts are considered a less restrictive device and should be tried before other more restrictive methods are employed. To begin, position the patient as far back in the seat as possible. The patient's buttock should be against the back of the chair. Wrap the foam belt around the patient and the chair backrest. Press the hook and loop fastener firmly together. For self-release, secure the hook and loop fastener in front of the patient. For assisted release, secure the hook and loop fastener behind the patient. To check for proper fit, slide an open hand, flat, between the belt and the patient. The belt must be snug but not interfere with breathing. The preceding video demonstrates the proper application of Posey products only. Prior to application, consult your facility's policies and procedures regarding the appropriate use of this product. The video should be used concurrently with the Posey application instructions, which include indications, contraindications, warnings, and more detailed product application information. Product application and instructions for use are included with each Posey product. You may contact the Posey Company to request the product application instructions or download a copy at www.posey.com. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-44-POSEY.